Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. If you're preparing for data analytics, business analytics, risk analytics, or data science interviews and wondering what skills companies actually expect from candidates, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the complete roadmap and discuss the most important concepts and skills that can help you crack analytics interviews. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing recruiters usually look for is a strong quantitative foundation. Having a background in mathematics, statistics, economics, engineering, or any quantitative field gives you an advantage because analytics is all about understanding data and extracting meaningful insights from it. One of the most important subjects that every aspiring analyst should know is econometrics. It forms the foundation of predictive modeling and data analysis. Among all the concepts, linear regression is probably the most important because it serves as the base for understanding many advanced machine learning algorithms. Once you're comfortable with linear regression, you can gradually move towards concepts like logistic regression, k-nearest neighbors or KNN, decision trees, random forests, neural networks, and recurrent neural networks. While companies may not expect freshers to master every algorithm, they definitely expect you to understand the fundamentals. The next major area is statistics and probability. You should be comfortable with concepts such as probability, conditional probability, Bayes' theorem, correlation, covariance, sampling techniques, hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and the central limit theorem. These topics are not only frequently asked during interviews but are also extensively used in real-world projects. Now, apart from technical knowledge, one thing that truly differentiates a good analyst is their thinking ability. As analysts, our job is not simply to follow existing processes. We are expected to challenge assumptions, identify opportunities, and bring new ideas to the table. That's why companies value candidates who can think outside the box. To assess this, many companies use case studies and estimation-based questions. For example, you may come across questions like, how many tennis balls can fit inside a room? How many flights operate in India every day? Or, how many petrol pumps are there in Delhi? These questions don't have exact answers. Interviewers are more interested in understanding your thought process, assumptions, and approach to solving problems. Therefore, I highly recommend practicing as many case studies as possible. Discuss business problems with your friends, solve case studies available online, and try to develop a structured way of thinking. Another skill that can significantly improve your analytical abilities is puzzle solving. Although puzzles may not be asked very frequently in interviews, they help sharpen your mind and teach you that there can be multiple ways to solve the same problem. They encourage creative thinking and help you approach problems from different perspectives. Now let's talk about something equally important: confidence and communication. No matter how technically strong you are, your presentation skills and confidence can make a huge difference during interviews. Interviewers observe how you communicate, how you react under pressure, and how you respond when you don't know the answer. And remember, it's completely okay not to know everything. What matters is how calmly and confidently you handle the situation. Being honest, explaining your thought process, and maintaining composure can leave a very positive impression. Coming to technical skills, SQL is undoubtedly one of the most important tools for an analyst. You should have a good understanding of joins, group by, window functions, common table expressions, subqueries, and aggregate functions. Although not every company requires Python, it is becoming increasingly important in analytics roles. You should be familiar with libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Excel is another tool that should never be ignored. Despite the availability of advanced tools, Excel remains one of the most widely used applications in the industry. You should know pivot tables, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index match, conditional formatting, and basic dashboard creation. Additionally, learning visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau can help you stand out from other candidates. So, to summarize, cracking a data analytics interview is not about memorizing hundreds of questions. It's about building a strong foundation, developing analytical thinking, improving your communication skills, and continuously learning new tools and technologies. Stay curious, stay consistent, and focus on understanding concepts rather than simply memorizing answers. And trust me, with patience and regular practice, you'll definitely increase your chances of landing your dream analytics role. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more content related to data analytics, data science, and career guidance. Also, let me know in the comments which topic you'd like me to cover next. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and happy learning!